Hey, Window. Hey, microwave, what? Can you do a short shot? Oh, thanks, microwave. I do a good job. Yeah, you have. But today we're going to do a special craft because first time. Yeah, whatever. I was here inside it. You just go up in the air. Yeah, that's great. But today we're going to do. Yeah, but wait. I am microwave, so. Hey, give me that arrow. Oh, great. Bun. So. Okay, I got the bun, so let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Let's take it out. Hey, don't take it out. It's my present. Let me try hot.
President Trump praised her, telling the New York Times, "I would say the best opening so far would be Kamala Harris, but quickly taking aim on the campaign trail." Kamala is falling.
Hey, my dear Wenzel. Oh no, are you okay, Wenzel? No. Oh no. The bun is really hot. Let me try it.